Greetings and welcome to the presentation of Udyog Shikhar. I am Rajesh and I will guide you through this presentation. So let's begin. This presentation is mainly divided into 5 major parts. The first one is what is Udyog Shikhar. Second, why we are conducting the Udyog Shikhar event. The third one is who will rock the stage. The fourth part is how this event will be executed and what is the complete timeline of the event. And finally, in the fifth part, we will see when and where this event is going to happen. So let's begin with the first part. What exactly is the Udyog Shikhar? Udyog Shikhar is an initiative of the Global Young Entrepreneurs and Business Leaders Forum. Or in short, we may say the GloBiz Forum. This is one full-day event and will be held annually, where the entrepreneurs and industrialists will come together to share expertise, opportunities, and connections with each other. As this is a recurring annual event, the theme for this year is Business Beyond 100 Years. The overall theme of the event will be about how to have the vision of taking your businesses beyond 100 years, and what it takes to establish a business which will go beyond 100 years. This one-day event will be held in the Green City, Nashik, where 700 plus entrepreneurs will come together on a single platform. So this was all about the first part of the presentation. What is Udyog Shikhar? Now, let's proceed to the second part. And that is, why Udyog Shikhar is going to happen? What is the main reason behind taking the Udyog Shikhar event? Udyog Shikhar is going to build a robust platform where MSME Ministry and their officials, established entrepreneurs, and 700 plus businessmen and entrepreneurs will come together. The MSME Ministry will bring their vision, opportunities, guidelines and schemes for all of us. The established entrepreneurs, who has gained an enormous success in businesses, will bring their experience, expertise, and industry's domain knowledge on the table. And these successful industry experts, along with the MSME Ministry, will guide the gathered businessmen and entrepreneurs, having huge potential, josh, spirit, energy, and lots of questions about their entrepreneurial journey. The gathered businessmen will also get the great insights from the ministry and the industry experts combined. Here, the second part of presentation ends. Now, in the third, and the most important part, we will see who is going to rock the stage, and which business tycoons will grace us with their presence. The Udyog Shikhar will be graced by the presence of many dignitaries, from central government, to the most powerful business tycoons across India. As the chief guests of the program, the Union Minister of MSME, Government of India, Honorable Mr. Narayanji Rane will guide us on future government policies for the benefit of MSME sector. Then the Member of Parliament from Surat, and the President of BJP of Gujarat State, Honorable Khandesh Putra, Mr. C.R. Patil sir will speak on the global opportunities in businesses. The third most important keynote speaker is a Padma Shri Award winner in 2023, and the founder and chairman of Hare Krishna Exports, the diamond merchant, who gifted 600 cars to his employees, Honorable Mr. Savji Bhai Dholakia. He will share his success story and his views on the key points to sustain the business beyond 100 years. The most important, and the international business tycoon from United Arab Emirates, who is the chairman at Bu Abdullah Group, an entrepreneur, a philanthropist, and a Guinness World Record holder of Young Imarti Entrepreneur 2019, Honorable Dr. Bu Abdullah. With his expertise in law and business, Honorable Dr. Bu Abdullah is a supreme businessman who currently owns more than 270 companies, which includes real estate, a legal firm, and business consultancy in Asia and other parts of the world. The next business magnate is from Maharashtra, Honorable Dr. Suresh Havre, Managing Director of Havre Engineers and Builders Private Limited. He is a well-known builder and a big brand in affordable housing in Mumbai. He is also ex-chairman of Shri Sai Sansthan, Shirdi. He is the trustee of Saturday Club Global Trust. Mr. Havre will guide us on how to grow your business for generations with other people's money. Mr. Deepak Ghaisas is a venture capitalist, and invested more than 1,000 crore rupees through his venture capitalist team in startups. He will share his views on how to create innovation in our existing business, and when to diversify to in other businesses. Mr. Nilesh Khare is an editor, and the business head of Zee 24 Stars. He will speak on the importance of media management for the business growth. Mr. Dilip Auti is an international business coach who will guide us on nurturing the businesses and how to sustain them up to 100 years. Dr. Sunil Manjrekar is the president of GMBF, that is, the Gulf Maharashtra Business Forum. He will share the opportunities of different businesses in Gulf and African countries. Mr. Anup Mundra is a national trainer of JCI, that is, the Junior Chamber International. He will discuss on how to lead the team and create the leaders who will run your business for generations. Mr. Nikhil Panchal is the president of Ambad Industrial Manufacturers Association. And he will speak on what are the do's and don'ts in the current and future industrial revolution. Dr. Ajit Marathe is the managing director of Nirman Realtors Private Limited. He is also a founder of Mas Gurukul, which is a business mentoring organization, and a trustee of Saturday Club Global Trust. A true business networker, who will discuss on how business networking is essential for the sustainability of any business. There will be an eye-opening and interesting panel discussion with Mr. Piyush Somani, Chairman and the Managing Director of the ESDS Software Solutions Limited. Mr. Ravi Mahajan, the Director of Ravi Mahajan Builders and Developers. Mrs. Manisha Dhatrak, the owner and founder of Varun Agro. And Mr. Vikram Ugale, the founder and CEO of the chain of Hotel Curry Leaves. All these esteemed dignitaries and business tycoons from all over India will gather together at Udyog Shikhar for you and contribute their expertise, experience, and word of wisdom for business beyond 100 years. Now I would like to call upon Ankita to present the next important part of the presentation. That is, how shall the event will conduct. Ankita, over to you.
Thank you, Rajesh, and hello everyone. It gives me an immense pleasure to brief you about the program schedule and the timeline. Let's get started. The one-day Udyog Shikhar program will consist of 4 major sessions. The first session will be from 9 am to 11 am. This session will start with the inauguration ceremony, followed by the chief guest speech and the award ceremony. After the 30 minutes break, the program will continue to second session. This second session will start with major industry experts talks, where they will share their valuable experiences and useful insights. Then there will be an expert panel discussion about current business scenarios, trends, and expert opinions about legacy and future businesses. Again, there will be 45 minutes lunch break, and after that the program will resume. The third session will be the most powerful session of all, as it contains the words of wisdom by the most established and successful entrepreneurs who has taken their businesses to global level. These top-notch entrepreneurs will share the values via their experiences and their expertise in different business domains. Then again, after the 30 minutes high tea break, the last session will commence. In the last part of the Udyog Shikhar program, many distinguished entrepreneurs will again share their vision and opinion to give the core business knowledge about various trending topics to all attendees. Later, as a part of our gratitude to the top national entrepreneurs and successful businessmen, we will give the recognition and a token of appreciation on behalf of our entire community. Finally, the program will end with a networking session, where all gathered people will get a chance to connect directly with maximum number of attendees to exchange the information about their businesses and services. Here, the third part of the presentation ends. Now let's proceed to the last part. In the last part of this presentation, let me share the details about the Udyog Shikhar event. The Udyog Shikhar will be held on Saturday, 2nd December 2023, from 9 am to 7 pm in the holistic and green city Nashik. The location of Udyog Shikhar will be at the Crown Jewel of Nashik and Complete Green Eco Resort, the Grape County, which is situated at the Triambkeshwar Road in Nashik. For more details about this event, visit www.udyogshikar.com. Thank you for your time. Let's gather and grow together.